Hello. Today we're going to remove the blades of our Litheli tools U20 Handy Plus Cordless lawnmower. We remove the battery from the mower first. We turn the mower on the side to expose the underside of the blade housing. And then it goes. We use a cloth to grip the blade or wear heavy-duty gloves. We're using a 16mm lock wrench and remove the lock nut securely by the blade by turning the lock nut counterclockwise. After we perform this, take care of your fingers, of course, because of the blade. We carefully remove the blade after this, and then we remove the blade completely. After this process, we have the blade in our hands, and we can make a checkup of the blade, and after this, we can continue with our things we have to do with it. To get the blade into the position back, it's really easy. We get the blade in the center. We are going to use the screw which we removed before, or we replace it with a new one, and then we tighten it. The tightening is the same. We are going to use a 16mm nut and a socket wrench, for example, and we tighten it clockwise until it is hot tightened, because it has to be really tightened, because it is a rotating thing while we're mowing. It is important that it is really get in position there. For this, the best choice is use a torque wrench to tighten this nut or this screw with 49 up to 59 Newton meters. Okay, really important that it is really tight at the center of our lawnmower. And after this, the process is done, and we can get back on the grass field again with our lawnmower. In this case, it's the Litheli tool U20 Handy Plus Cordless lawnmower, but the process is nearly the same at all kind of lawnmowers out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.